Welcome to Inside Builder channel. Creating and editing PDF documents on Windsurf IDE. Can we? Let's dive in. This resume that you are seeing here is the original resume that I began to work with. I wanted to add one additional experience project into this resume. I use Windsurf and the resume was updated to include the Crew AI project into the resume. And you can see that this is the updated resume in the PDF format. You might be thinking how Windsurf was able to create the PDF document and how was it able to edit. As I have been telling, everything that we are interacting in the computer, on your computer or on your server, or in fact on the internet, is made of text, strings, that's it. And there are varieties of tool chains that is available for manipulating this text into different formats. One of the techniques that we can use for working with PDF is the latex based tool chain, and Windsurf introduced me to this tool chain. In fact, I was knowing that there is a kind of a tool chain that we can use, but the idea that I got from Windsurf was entirely different. You can see that it is giving me 3 different conversion methods: the text conversion, image based conversion, and the manual reconstruction. So all of these are different ways of approaching the same problem of editing the PDF document. And each of these has a different kind of workflow that you can see here. So here, the workflow of starting to work with the PDF, extracting the text into a text format, manually editing the latex template to restructure the data, update the .text file. .text is the latex format, and then compile the text file back to the PDF, and then update the final PDF. So this is one of the format. Even this diagram was created by Windsurf IDE using Cascade. So you can see the entire process I had followed here. This is a pretty long discussion that I was having with Cascade, not just one model, both Cascade base as well as Claude 3.5 Sonnet, to generate this entire README document as well as the updated PDF document. So the point I wanted to make here is that if you are following the right tooling, and if you are following the process of step-by-step understanding the challenge and then breaking down the challenge into multiple steps, using different toolings for each of the challenge, and then you can actually solve any challenge using Windsurf IDE. So with that said, see you guys. More to come.